Tired of pesky charging cables constantly falling out of your smartphone? Well, let's take a look at this. It's from a brand called Olaf and it's a magnetic charging cable. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. My name's TJ and today, let's take a look at these cables. This is the packaging it arrives in. Not much info on the back. And in a separate packet, you're gonna receive the accessories, which is basically the various tips that you can use to connect to the cable. I've chosen the Type-C connection. Let's move in for a closer view on these and let's get these unboxed. Hey guys, welcome back. Let's take a closer look at the packaging. This little packet contains the actual tip that would fit into your smart device. This specific tip is the USB Type-C connector. On the back you can see the magnetic lines. This is how the phone cable comes packaged. It's a very nice red braided cable. You do have other color options. I believe there's a silver, blue and black. You have some Olaf branding on the cable itself. And the way this works is it's magnetic. Here are the pins on the cable. And what this actually means is because it's placed in this configuration, and because this is circular, it doesn't matter which way it rotates, it will always make contact. Installation on your smart device is super simple. Here's my Huawei P30. If you haven't checked the unboxing video out, I will leave links in the description. So installation is super simple. USB Type-C cable, USB Type-C is slightly higher and lower than the device, being circle and the device is obviously. So if you place it on a flat surface, say it's very minimal rocking. You can easily fit this in your pocket, you won't even notice it there. Now this, the way it works is, it's magnetic. Let's watch that again. And there we have it. If you haven't checked out my Romos unboxing yet, make sure you do. I will leave links as well for this in the description. For demonstration purposes, let's plug this to the fast charging port. Sitting at about 42 and device has started to charge. Another cool feature which you would have noticed is the cable does light up. It's got a subtle blue. In the dark, searching for the cable would allow you to find it easier. I find this is a pretty cool feature. Guys, overall I am very impressed with this. Hey guys, welcome back. To sum things up, this magnetic cable works well and does what it needs to do. It's extremely powerful magnet, unlike some of the cheaper units out there, and it's strong enough that it's able to hold up this Huawei P30. Comes with a braided cable, and the cool thing about this is if you do purchase the other accessory tips such as a micro USB or a connector for your iPhone, you theoretically only need one cable and you could switch between them. I think that's really cool. So guys, the construction is really good. So far I haven't had any issues with it. Phone charges at pretty decent speed. Data transfers work well. Something else to be aware about, some of the cheaper cables out there only support charging. This cable supports both charging and data transfer, which was something very important for me when I was looking for a cable. So guys, I can highly recommend you check this out. I will leave links in the description. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe and let me know in the comments below. What do you think about tempered glass screen protectors? Do any of you still purchase and use the plastic screen guards, or have you all moved across to the glass type? Let me know in the comments below. Check you on the next one.